You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're not just getting older. Your focus feels dull. Your edge gone. You train, but don't grow. You grind, but feel flat. And deep down, you know something is off. What if it's not your discipline? What if it's your testosterone? Today, we're breaking down why so many men have low testosterone and exactly how to fix it naturally, without gimmicks, without fear tactics, and without nonsense. Stay until the end, because most men try to fix this the wrong way. For most men, 20 to 45, low testosterone isn't genetic destiny. It's lifestyle driven, which means it's reversible. Let's break it down properly. Low energy, stubborn belly fat, brain fog. You wake up tired, you push through the day, you crash at night, and you tell yourself, I'm just getting older. But what if you're not aging? What if your testosterone is crashing and nobody told you? Common physical and emotional side effects: muscle loss, skin and hair, mood off, no focus, confidence, motivation. Let's begin with the first factor: the sedentary pandemic. You sit at work, you sit in your car, you sit on your couch. The human body is an adaptation machine. If you do not impose mechanical stress on your musculoskeletal system, your body receives a signal that high hormonal output is unnecessary. A sedentary lifestyle tells your biology that you are in hibernation mode. It downregulates production to conserve energy, but modern life removed it. You sit at a desk, you drive everywhere, you relax on a couch, you scroll in bed. Let me ask you something. How many hours a day are you sitting? Desk, car, couch, bed, sleep deprivation. The hormone shutdown switch. Most testosterone production happens during deep sleep, not during your workout, not while you're eating chicken and rice, during sleep. And what are most men doing? Scrolling at midnight, blue light blasting their face, sleeping 3 hours, then wondering why they feel weak and irritable. Wake up with alarms in survival mode, then wonder why they feel flat. 7 to 9 hours, non-negotiable. Go to bed at the same time every night. Cool, dark room, no phone, 60 minutes before bed. If you fix your sleep alone, you might feel like a different man in 30 days. Extra body fat, especially if you've been bulking for years. Body fat isn't just stored energy. Fat tissue contains an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. More fat equals more conversion. More conversion equals lower testosterone, and it becomes a vicious cycle. Low testosterone makes it harder to lose fat. More fat lowers testosterone further, so you feel stuck. Testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol. If you are on a low-fat diet, you are starving your endocrine system. Consume high-quality eggs, red meat, butter, and avocados. Eliminate processed seed oils and refined sugars, which spike insulin and suppress hormonal output. Cortisol versus testosterone. This one is silent. You might think stress is normal. Work pressure, financial pressure, relationship tension, constant. When cortisol, your stress hormone, stays high, testosterone goes down. They compete. Your body prioritizes survival over reproduction and muscle building. If you're constantly on edge, your hormones reflect it. Ever notice when you're overwhelmed, your workouts suffer, your sleep gets worse, your libido drops? That's not random. Detoxify your environment. Stop drinking from plastic water bottles. Switch to glass or stainless steel. Never heat food in plastic containers. These small adjustments reduce your toxic load over time. Lift weights. It lowers stress long-term. Walk outside daily. Sunlight matters. Endocrine disruptors. This is the one nobody talks about. Modern life is full of chemicals that mimic estrogen. Plastic containers, water bottles, food packaging, cheap grooming products. These compounds can interfere with hormone balance. Now, don't panic. You don't need to live in the woods, but small changes matter. Use glass or stainless steel for water and food storage. Avoid microwaving plastic. Choose higher quality personal care products. Filter drinking water when possible. Low vitamin D. You are ignoring a critical nutrient, vitamin D. This is not just a vitamin. It is a steroid pro-hormone. It is essential for the transcription of testosterone. Over 40% of the male population is clinically deficient. If you work indoors, your hormonal tank is empty. Fix 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily when possible. Expose arms and legs. The mistake most men make. Here's where most men go wrong. They skip lifestyle correction and jump straight to shortcuts, supplements, quick fixes, extreme protocols without fixing sleep, movement, body composition, stress, sunlight. If you've implemented these changes for 8 to 12 weeks and still experience, start this week. Train with intent, sleep with discipline, reduce unnecessary stress, get sunlight. Do that consistently, not emotionally, not temporarily, consistently. Your energy will change. Your physique will change. Your presence will change. And when your habits change, your hormones follow. If you're serious about becoming sharper, stronger, and more disciplined, subscribe. You have the power to change your physiology. You can wake up tomorrow and make a different choice. You can build a body and a mind that is formidable. Testosterone is not just about muscle. It is about cognitive function, drive, and vitality. It is about becoming the man you were designed to be. Stop making excuses. Start the protocol today.